In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this file has an unsupported compression type in Premiere Pro. So in case you're getting this message, let me pull up this over here. There we go. I have a random test video and I try to put it in. And as you can see, I get an error which is saying the following. Let me move this over here. There we go. It says the file has an unsupported compression type. So what you want to do first, if this happens to you, is save the project you have, and then you want to click on File, and then you want to click Close Project. And then you want to, of course, save this. I'm not going to right now. And then once you're in here, you want to go to Edit, click Preferences, and then over here, look for where it says Media Cache. And you want to click on Media Cache. And then once this opens up over here inside Media Cache, you want to remove all the media cache. So you want to click delete over here to where it says remove media cache files, and then you want to delete unused media cache files or delete all media cache files. Now I suggest you delete all of them for this method to work the best, okay? So simply press delete all media cache files, press OK, and then you'll have to restart Premiere Pro. And as you can see, it says Premiere Pro automatically quits if this option is selected, and then you want to open it back up, and that's it. Now, if this didn't work for you, the second thing you can try and do is to move your video that you're trying to import inside Premiere Pro, to move it to another folder, okay? So let's say if I have it under downloads, I want to put it under documents or under videos or in a new folder on desktop. Try that, and if that didn't work, you can also try and move it to another drive in case you have more than one drive on your computer installed. So that's the second way of doing it, and if that didn't work, there's one more solution to this, okay? And it's the following. You want to change the extension, the file extension of the certain video you're trying to import. So in my case, as you can see, it's MKV. The first thing you want to do, of course, is select the file, click on View up here inside the Explorer, and go under Show, and press Show File Name Extensions, okay? And once that's ticked on, you'll see that you can now see the file name extensions. And what you want to do is kind of rename this, so click on it and click this button up here which renames the documents on Windows 11, and then you want to change this to whatever it is, to MTS, and then press enter, and it says if you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Press yes, and don't worry because it's still going to work, okay? The video is going to work just like it should, and then simply try dragging it back into Premiere Pro, and you'll see if that works. Now those are the possible 3 or 4 fixes, and I hope any of them helped you, and if it did, I'm glad, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.